The 2015 Dodge Charger. Inject some versatility, comfort, and sophistication into your muscle. The Charger is a powerful sedan that excites at every turn. Peace of mind comes standard with Charger's 5-star government front and side impact crash test rating. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, keyless entry, remote engine start, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, floor mats, 4-wheel disc brakes, keyless start, aluminum wheels, cruise control, auto-dimming rear view mirror, universal garage door opener, AM/FM stereo radio, climate control. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.